Today's word is encomium. It is a noun. It means a speech or piece of writing that praises someone or something very highly. It is a formal way of showing great admiration or appreciation for a person or their work, often shared publicly. Similar words include praise, tribute, accolade, compliment. The teacher wrote an encomium for the student who won the National Science Fair. The book is an encomium to the beauty of nature. During the party, his friends shared an encomium to celebrate his many years of kindness.
Did you hear the principal's speech about our retiring librarian?
Yes, it was such a lovely encomium. Everyone was touched by her kind words.
Emma uses encomium to describe the principal's speech because it was a formal and heartfelt way of praising the librarian's long career. Think of it as a fancy word for a thank you speech or a big pat on the back. It comes from an old Greek word meaning a song of praise. If someone wrote an encomium about your favorite hobby, what would they say about it?